Hey everyone, let's look at the concept of budget constraint. This is a budget line here, and a budget line shows the combination of different goods a consumer can purchase given the consumer's money income, and number two, the prices of the goods. In this example, money income is $10 and it's asking us the prices of Coke and popcorn respectively. So these two are the anchor points. This point is 0 and 20. That means the consumer is purchasing all Coke and no Pepsi, no popcorn, definitely no Pepsi. This is the point where the consumer is purchasing all popcorn and no Coke. And all points in between is a combination of Coke and popcorn. Take a look at this point here where it says all Coke and no popcorn. The maximum amount of Coca-Cola the person can purchase is 20 units. So if the consumer has a money income of $10, this person can purchase 20 units of Coca-Cola. So the price of Coca-Cola is equal to $10, which is the total money income of this person over the total units purchased. So this is equal to 50 cents. Okay. Now, what is the price of popcorn? If the consumer is spending all his money income on popcorn, the price of popcorn will be $1. So the anchor points that you can find here is by dividing the money income over the prices. Okay, hope this makes sense. So your answer for this question is choice D, which is 50 cents for Coca-Cola and $1 for popcorn. Now let's say the income doubles. The income was $10, so the income increases from $10 to $20. What would change on the horizontal axis and the vertical axis? So if income is equal to $20 here, and this person decides to spend all his money on popcorn, then he would be able to buy, let me see, the income is $20 over the price of popcorn, which is $1. Then this person could buy 20 units of popcorn. And at the same time, this is also gonna double. The income went up to $20 here, and the price of Coca-Cola is 50. I'm just gonna write here 50 cents as 0.50. So this one becomes 40. I have the budget line which has shifted outwards or just shifted to the right. So when income increases, I will say the budget line is gonna shift to the right. When income decreases, the budget line shifts to the left. Now let's look at something else. What happens when the prices are gonna go up or go down or stay the same? Alright, say the price of Coca-Cola is staying the same at 50 cents and the price of popcorn is gonna go down from $1 to 50 cents. So what we found out was the price of Coca-Cola was 50, price of popcorn, this is equal to $1. Now let's make the assumption that the price of popcorn went down from $1 to 50 cents, price of Coca-Cola staying the same. What changes is this number here, because nothing happened to the price of Coca-Cola. The price of Coca-Cola stayed the same. Only the amount of popcorn consumed went up. So I look like there is a pivot outwards. Okay. And at the same time, let's make the assumption that instead of going down to 50 cents, the price of popcorn went up from $1 to $2. Price of Coca-Cola staying the same. So what happens now? So this number is really gonna go down here. This number becomes 5. So let me show you how we get these numbers on each of these axes. So this 10, this one we find by dividing total income by prices. 20, this one we found out by dividing the total income over the prices. The assumption here was price went down to 50 cents. This 5 units we found out by dividing total income by price going up by $2. And this for Coca-Cola, we found this out by dividing total income over the price, which is 50 cents. This is all about the concept of budget line, how it changes when the income goes up or down and when the price is going up or down. You can also do it the other way. You can say the price of popcorn stayed the same, price of Coca-Cola either increasing or decreasing. I leave that to you as an exercise. Thank you.